This is a simple step-by-step guide to help you recover a hacked Facebook account. First, open your search browser and type Facebook account hacked. From the search results, open the Facebook page titled Hacked and Fake Accounts. This will take you to the Facebook Help Center, where you will see two options regarding hacked accounts. 1, if you think your Facebook account was hacked, and 2, help your friend recover their hacked Facebook account. Click on the first option. Next, you will see Try Guided Help. Click on Get Started. You will then be presented with 3 options. 1, someone else gained access to my account. 2, someone else gained access to my friend's account. Or 3, someone used my or my friend's name, photos, or information to create a new account. Select the first option if your account was hacked. Now, you'll be asked if you can still log into your account. You'll see 2 options. Yes, I can still log in, and no, I can't log in. If you can still log in, select yes, and you will be redirected to a page with the link facebook.com/hacked. Select this link, then simply click on My account is compromised. You will then be asked to log into your Facebook account, and a series of prompts will assist you to recover control of your account. If your answer is no, I can't log in, select that option, where you will be asked, do you have access to the phone number or email address on the account? And see 2 options. Yes, I can access the phone number or email address on the account. Or no, I don't have access to the phone number or email address on the account. If your answer is yes, then select that option, where you will be advised to log out of your Facebook account and go to facebook.com. Click Forgotten Account and follow the on-screen instructions to recover your account. If you no longer have access, select No. You will then be advised to log out of your Facebook account and click on the link shown, facebook.com/login/identify. This will take you to a page that asks you to enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to regain control of your hacked Facebook account. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like and follow for more cyber tips.